Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to change hotspot password on Poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video here. Firstly, what you need to do is that here you have to move on setting. Okay, so when you move on this setting, you have to scroll on the down, and here you will be able to find the portable hotspot. Just click on here portable hotspot. When you move on the portable hotspot, whether you turn on this one or you off this one, but you can change the portable hotspot password successfully. You just need to click the second option, set up portable hotspot. You just click on here on the second option. When you click on the second option, here is the password. You can cancel this all the password. Okay, just cancel the password and you can type the anything from here, but it should be at least 8 character. Okay, it should be at least 8 character, so it will be saved successfully on your device. Okay, and if you want to see this one, okay, what I have typed here, then you can check from here the I symbol. Just click on the I symbol here, you type the password. If you want to cancel this one, you want to retype, you can retype here. Okay, you can retype here, but it should be at least in 8 character. Okay, if it is not it in character, it will the password will not be typed successfully. Okay, so it should be in 8 character. After that, if you want to hide the password, again you just click on this icon, the password will be hide. And if you want to show the password, again you just click on this icon, the password will be seen. Okay, so if you want to hide and show, you can do like this by just clicking on this I symbol. So after that, when you finish, you just click on here on this tick option, and here the password will be saved successfully on your mobile phone. You can change the password like this. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.